Ready to transform your life? Learn how to harness the power of the law of attraction and start attracting success today. In this video, I'll share practical tips, personal stories, and powerful insights that will help you align your mind, energy, and actions to create the life you've always wanted. Make sure to watch till the end for a special tip on how to master self-reflection to boost your manifestation journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with anyone who needs a dose of inspiration. Let's embark on this journey to success together. Welcome, my friends. Today, I want to share with you the essence of attracting success using one of the most powerful tools at your disposal, the law of attraction. This is not just theory, but a practice grounded in my own journey, filled with moments of discovery, doubt, triumph, and growth. So find a comfortable spot, take a deep breath, and let's dive into this transformative lesson. First, let's get to the heart of what the law of attraction is. At its core, it's the principle that like attracts like. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions create an energy field that attracts similar experiences into your life. Imagine your mind as a magnet. Whatever you think and feel most strongly about, you invite into your reality. But here's where many falter. They focus on what they don't want. I hope I don't fail this test. I wish I weren't so unlucky. I don't want to be alone. These thoughts, though unintentional, align your energy with negative outcomes. Instead, it's crucial to flip the narrative. Replace, I don't want to fail with, I will succeed, or I am capable. I remember a time early in my career when success felt just out of reach. I worked tirelessly but without clear intention. My mind was cluttered with worries. What if this doesn't work out? Am I chasing the wrong goal? It wasn't until I met a mentor who introduced me to this simple yet profound idea. Shift your focus from what you fear to what you desire. He told me, envision success not just as an outcome, but as a state of being. Walk as if success is already yours. Speak as if it's present. Feel it down to your core. That was the turning point. Every morning I practiced affirmations and visualizations. I'd close my eyes and imagine myself achieving my goals, how it felt, what it looked like, even the sounds around me. And slowly but surely, my reality began to shift. Visualization is powerful, but it must be paired with aligned action. Picture this. You're trying to row a boat to the shore, but your oars are out of sync with the direction you want to go. You'll stay in place, or worse, go in circles. This is what happens when your actions don't reflect your intentions. I started making small, deliberate changes. I set specific goals, broke them down into actionable steps, and reviewed my progress daily. This practice was not just about ticking boxes, but realigning myself constantly with the vision I'd set. Remember, it's not just what you do, but how you do it. Act with purpose, and your actions become a beacon to the universe. Now, there's one powerful force that amplifies the law of attraction, and that is gratitude. Why? Because gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It reminds you that success isn't just a future event, but a state you can experience today. I made it a habit to end my day by reflecting on what I was grateful for, even if it was as simple as a moment of laughter or a productive conversation. This practice not only elevated my mood, but strengthened my belief that abundance was already part of my life. And when you believe that abundance is present, more of it comes. To attract success, you need clarity, and that comes from self-reflection. Take time to ask yourself, what do I truly want? Why do I want it? The answers may surprise you. Many chase goals not for their own fulfillment, but to meet others' expectations or out of fear of missing out. But when you align your desires with your core values, your path becomes clearer and more rewarding. Each week, I dedicate time to mindfulness meditation, where I reflect on my actions, thoughts, and intentions. This helps me realign with my authentic self and ensures that I'm on a path that feels true, not forced. So, my friends, I challenge you, start today. Take a moment after this video to visualize your success, act with intention, and, above all, practice gratitude. And remember, you don't have to walk this path alone. Share your experiences, your challenges, and your victories in the comments below. Let's inspire and uplift each other. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more life-changing insights, and share it with someone who might need a little encouragement on their journey. Until next time, keep believing, keep growing, and keep attracting the life you deserve.